So here we have a 500 kg mini dumper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change it from the torch spark plug, and I'm going to upgrade it to the NGK BPR7ES. So what I'm going to do, first of all, take off the air filter cover so I can have some more access to it. I'm going to use an extension bar on my socket, and which is a 21mm. First of all, you want to pull off the HT lead. Put it onto the spark plug. Turn it to take it out. Now it's very easy to take out. Loosen it all the way. Now take it out, and you'll have it here. Now change that one. If you have a yellow or orange spark, that means the spark plug is faulty, which won't allow the engine to start. Now you want to change it to the NGK. First of all, I'm going to put it into the socket. I'm going to take it off of the ratchet. I'm going to put it in and guide it in. Now be careful not to cross thread this. So I've got it now in there. Put my ratchet onto the extension bar and tighten it up. Now don't want to over tighten it, just give it a couple turns tight. Put the HT lead back on. Put the air filter cover back on. And you're done.